Guys, Dev Party here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do input in Java. So if you don't already have a project you're trying to do this and make a new project, I'm just going to call this one tutorial. And once you have this project, go ahead and make a new file. And I'm just going to call this main, like a normal thing. If you don't want this up here, go ahead and delete this. I'm just going to go ahead and make the main class stuff. Alright, now you're just going to leave the main class like this. And before we get started on the actual IO class we're going to make, we're going to go import java.util.scanner. Now, this is how we're going to be doing input. So, the first thing you're going to want to do is go class. Oh, it's glitching a little bit. Yep, class IO. And just leave this class like this. Go scanner S. And obviously make your public IO so it'll initiate stuff. And in here you're going to want to say S equals new scanner. But you can't just go new scanner. In here you're going to want to specify where you're getting your input from. So I'm going to go system.in. So that'll get input in from the console. And then this is what we're going to need first. And up here in the main class, go public main. So we can have a non-static thing. So we can call this non-static class. And we are going to go IO, main IO. And in main, we're going to say main IO equals a new IO. And in here, we're going to say main M equals new main. So we can initiate our non-static function. Because if you tried to just call a non-static function, it doesn't work. And now that we have this, we have an IO initiated. And everything should work. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that everything works. Choose your main class as main. And as you can see, everything is going to build. I'm just going to let this do that real quick. And there we go. It should be done. And we can go back to coding now. Whatever. This is fine. Just stop this. And up here, you're going to want to go public string, because we want to get a string out of this. Get string. This is going to return value. Now, the value we want to return is s.nextLine, because this will get the string that it'll tell the console, hey, we need to wait for an input. And once you press enter, you can get it up here as a string. So we're going to, up here, go system.out.println. What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. And then we're going to say string name equals main IO dot get string. And now we can scan for something, and after that we just want to say something like system.out.println, and we're going to have it say hello and then your name with an exclamation mark at the end. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this program to see if everything works. I'll just let it build, and then you can see that it's going to execute it. It's going to ask for the name, so I'm going to type in my name, and then it's going to do this. This could be my real name, it could not, I don't know. And now we can see that everything works. So I'm going to add some other things. You can add these too if you want, like public int, get int. If you want to get a number from the console, you'd return s.nextInt. And then public float, get float. You could pretty much do any data type that is a base data type in Java. So as long as it's a base data type, you can get it from the console. If it's not a base data type, you're gonna have to make like your own code for that. Next float. And now we have all this, and then it's gonna ask for your age, string. No, actually not string. It's gonna be int age equals main IO dot get int. And we're gonna say if age is greater than or equal to 13, then we'll allow them to go through. If not, we won't. So system.out.println. You are old enough. And we're just gonna copy this and an else right here. We're gonna do this. You are not old enough if you are under 13. So I'm gonna type in, we're gonna go ahead and run this. I'm just gonna type in like Bob. And then my age is, oh, I'm like 9. There we go. Bob is 9 years old. It's gonna say he's not old enough. And then it's just gonna finish. Either way it would finish. But now you guys know how to do input in Java. I hope that this helped someone. Thank you for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.